Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today we're going fishing again, third time. We're going to the Navajo or the San Juan River, and we're cutting through this trail. We got some new waders, and we're trying to be real careful going through here to not poke our waders. I love this little spot. This is up above the Texas hole, but if you get there early, there's no one there with you. Eventually, about the time I was going to quit, I had quite a few people come up on me, but most of the morning I had no one, and it was really nice. You can see how clear the water is, even in this mucky stuff right here. But once we get through here, we'll be out on the river. And there's the river. I like this one spot up here. I found this spot the first time I came here, and it's got some nice deep, right in here, there's some nice deep holes around those rocks out there. And so this is where I've had my luck so far. I wouldn't say I was super lucky, but I did get 3 fish today, which was really nice. And yeah, look how clear the water is. Actually, if you look down there, you'll see fish in the water really easy. Right now I'm throwing a really tiny tiny bug with a small split shot, and then a floating thing, a little thingamajigger to float, to let it drift with the current. They did not bite this one, but what's funny is while I was watching the fish right in this hole, I saw one of the fish come to the top, and so I thought, okay, yeah, that makes sense. It's warmer outside, and I'll throw a topwater little floating bug. This isn't a fly fishing trading video, by the way. I'm pretty bad at fly fishing. I'm just trying to learn it. It's just fun for me. Right here you can see some of the fish underwater. Actually, the camera kept falling down, but I don't know if the current was a little stronger today. I don't know. There's a little, I guess I pulled it out, but yeah, the fish, it's crazy how many big fish are just all over the place. It's just a matter of getting them to bite your presentation. And my presentation is pretty bad. Way up there above me, I saw a deer cross the river. I think that's pretty cool. That was the little bug I was using. Right over there you can see a bunch of these big ducks. I think they were mallards. I'm not a duck expert though. Right here you can see my first fish. They're pretty slippery to try to show. I was trying to show like a good side angle of the fish, but there it is. That was the first one. Of course, then I hooked the little hook on my waders. Here was my second fish. He slipped right off my hand. I'll try to get a closer up shot of if I get another one. They're really pretty fish. This is all catch and release river, and you can only use barbless hooks. Right here is when a few guys started showing up, and actually 2 more came right after them, and that's when I decided to call it a day. I think I caught 1 more fish, which is coming up, and then I decided just to get out of there. I like the peacefulness of it. Even if I don't catch fish, it's really fun, and I just enjoy being out there, outside. Right there, look at, you can see the fish right there in the water. Really clear water. Beautiful day. There's the ducks cruising across. Right here is when I switched to this other streamer. I guess that's what you call it. Kind of a weird looking bug. Right here was my third fish, and I slowed the video down so you could get a good look at him. He's a beautiful fish. They're really slippery, so they're hard to hold on to. But he jumped out of there. But he was a beautiful fish. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.